Types of valid contracts.
Write the different types of valid contracts. Or, describe briefly contracts classified on the basis of their validity and enforceability.
Contracts can be classified on the basis of their validity and enforceability into the following categories. 1. Valid contracts. 2. Void contracts. 3. Voidable contracts. 4. Illegal contracts. 5. Unenforceable contracts. Valid contract. A valid contract is an agreement that is legally binding and enforceable. It must meet all of the essential elements of a contract, such as offer, acceptance, consideration, capacity, and legality. A valid contract creates legal obligations between the parties involved. Voidable contract. A voidable contract is a valid contract that can be voided or cancelled by one or more of the parties involved. This can occur when one party was induced to enter into the contract by fraud, duress, undue influence, or misrepresentation. Illegal contract. An illegal contract is one that involves an unlawful act, such as the commission of a crime or the violation of a public policy. These contracts are void from the outset and cannot be enforced by either party. An enforceable contract. An unenforceable contract is one that is otherwise valid, but cannot be enforced by a court of law due to some technicality or legal issue. For example, a contract may be unenforceable if it is not in writing when required by law or if the statute of limitations has expired. Some of other contracts. Express contract. This type of contract is created through written or spoken words explicitly stating the terms and conditions of the agreement. Implied contract or tacit contract. An implied contract is created through the conduct of the parties involved rather than through written or spoken words. It is inferred from the behavior of the parties and the circumstances surrounding the agreement. Executed contract. An executed contract is one in which all parties have fulfilled their obligations under the agreement. Executory contract. An executory contract is one in which one or more parties have not yet fulfilled their obligations under the agreement.